Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for coming over. And if you're returnees, welcome back and thank you very much again for joining me. Today, I would like to share with you on how I decorated my living room. Though it's not really for me this year because as you know guys, this is the first time that uh, my son is not with us because he's in the UK and he won't be able to come home because of this 3 weeks quarantine. And plus the fact that my mother-in-law is always, going in and out of the hospital. Therefore, it's not really, like very nice, the feeling, or I don't know, it's not really for me to celebrate. However, I had decorated my living room anyway, just to brighten up the atmosphere. So I hope you like it. And once again, thank you. Okay, enjoy. So this is my sofa, guys. I changed the cover into red for Christmas. And of course, my plants, I always have this. And my wreath, I just hung it into the wall, and those socks. And like what I said, my sofa with my throw pillows that I made through my DIY. I used glue gun to make those throw pillow covers. Okay, so that's my wreath. Like what I said, I just hang it into the wall. And I have another one here and on the door. And this is my pine cones that I had before. I made more, guys, because I was so happy and pleased and I was loving it. So I tried to make more and mixed it with the stem of a old Christmas tree. And this is the outcome. I was really happy and pleased. And it is really beautiful, guys. I really love this. Look at that. Isn't it that beautiful? It's so vibrant. And this is my winter wonderland that I made when I joined my reindeer, my deer, with hosted by my beautiful friend Antoinette. I know I had this already and you've seen it, but because it's part of my living room tour, so I just put it on. And there's another reindeer that I made, as you can see. And of course, my little Christmas tree. I just made my Christmas tree nice and simple, guys, because to be honest, I'm not really in a mood to decorate this year because again, because my son is not here, he's in the UK, plus the fact that my mother-in-law is in and out of the hospital. So I wasn't really in a mood, but I just decorated anyway for the season. So as you can see, guys, they're beautiful, and this is the look when I turn on the light. As you can see, I put lights every decoration that I have put. And at nighttime, this is how it looks, my living room. Okay, I just make it nice and simple, just for the season. That's nice Christmas tree. It's very nice and simple. Yeah, I just put some garlands and some lights. Actually, it is simple, but when you see at nighttime, it is really beautiful, especially when I turn off the lights. The whole living room is really beautiful. You can see, guys. I want you to enjoy it.